Hello, my name is Scott Phillips, Technology and Engineering Teacher and Department Chair at Parkway North High School. I'm now going to share with you some information about courses that you may wish to take during your high school career. As a department, we strongly recommend that incoming 9th grade students take IED, Introduction to Engineering Design. This course is a year-long, it's honors credit and college credit eligible. The pre-engineering program at Parkway North is a sequence of courses which follows a proven hands-on, real-world problem-solving approach to learning. Students learn and apply the design process, acquire strong leadership and communication proficiency, and develop organization, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Students acquire skills which will prepare them for today's high-tech, high-skill global economy. Upon completion of the IED course, we recommend students take Principles Engineering, or they could opt to take Civil Engineering Architecture or Digital Electronics. Those three courses are offered at grades 10 through 12. And they also have the prerequisite of IED, Introduction to Engineering Design, because the coursework requires a strong math background. The following, on this slide, we're talking about the courses that are semester long that we also offer in our department. And they include robotics technology, construction technology, design technology, drafting, and then power, energy, and transportation technology. Some students end up taking several of these courses over their high school career, and some students move over to the Project Lead the Way courses that you saw on the previous slide. We get a lot of questions in our department, and they tend to be asked like this. Is there a lot of homework in the IED course? There is a lot of coursework involved in there, so it's fast-paced, but most of the work can be completed in class. However, some students may feel they need to come down and visit during lab to get the work done. That's one option you have available for you. And then there's also, you could download the software for free at home. That would be Autodesk Inventor software or Autodesk Rivet software. The second popular question we get is, which courses offer the most hands-on coursework? And the answer to that question would be robotics technology and construction technology. They offer the most hands-on coursework. And the third and final question we get asked a lot is, are there prerequisites for courses in your department? The general answer, generally speaking, is no. However, some of the upper level Project Lead the Way courses are only offered at grades 10 through 12 because of the math sequencing. Thank you for taking time to consider technology and engineering courses. Again, my name is Scott Phillips, and my contact information is as follows. My email would be scottphillips@parkwayschools.net, and then my phone number would be 314-415-5620. Again, thank you for your time.